Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use less RAM on Android. To begin, immediately identify and uninstall any applications you no longer use. These apps often consume valuable memory even when idle. Next, disable background app refresh for non-essential applications through your device settings. Finally, regularly clear the cache for all your apps. This simple step can free up several hundred megabytes of temporary memory, significantly improving your phone's responsiveness and overall performance. Background applications are major RAM consumers. Limit the number of widgets on your home screen to just a few essential ones, as each widget uses system resources. Restrict background data usage for apps that frequently access the internet, like social media or news feeds, to prevent them from running constantly. Additionally, utilize Android's built-in digital well-being feature to monitor which apps are consuming the most resources and adjust their permissions accordingly. For more advanced control, dive into your phone's developer options. Here, you can adjust animation scales to 0.5 times or even turn them off completely, which makes your device feel much faster. Enable Don't Keep activities to aggressively close apps as soon as you leave them, preventing them from lingering in memory. You can also limit background processes to a maximum of 3 or 4, ensuring only critical apps remain active. Consistent maintenance is key to sustained performance. Make it a habit to restart your Android device regularly, ideally once every few days, to clear out any lingering memory issues. Always keep your operating system updated to the latest version, as updates often include memory optimizations and bug fixes. Lastly, avoid using live wallpapers and excessive home screen customizations, as these can subtly consume additional RAM over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.